report of New Horizon Public School, Airoli 2015-16. The goal of education is the advancement of knowledge and the dissemination of truth. New Horizon Public School is a house of knowledge. It is an ocean of learning for all who thirst for knowledge. It is like a banyan tree, nurturing one and all under its shade of knowledge. It is an established institution for over a decade, with the focus on academics and all-round development of a child. Our motto is Education to Excel, and in keeping with our motto, we hereby showcase our onward march to excellence. At New Horizon, we induct the latest trends in the field of education. We also take great pride in training our students to cope with the rapid advancement of ever-changing technology. Celebration comes with a feeling of achievement and a sense of contribution to society. There is a galaxy of events conducted in our school. Due to shortage of time, we are highlighting only the notable achievements of our school. Success always follows dream. Excellence is the gradual result of always striving to do better, as quoted by Pat Riley. We take great pride in highlighting the academic achievements of our students. Ananya Nair stood first with 98.8%. Sai Gaurav stood second with 97.6%. Shilpa Savdas and Kartik Thakkar stood third with 97.4%. And Janani Venkateshwaran stood fourth with 97.2%. They were the school toppers in CBSE examination. We are proud to announce that 14 students secured above 95% aggregate and 44 students secured above 90% aggregate. What an achievement! Ananya Nair and Sai Gaurav secured cent% marks in maths, and Ananya Nair, Janani Venkateshwaran, Mansi Kothari and Sai Divya Ashok secured cent% marks in Sanskrit. At the senior secondary level, Siddhant Madhav stood first with 93.2%. Siddhant Sundar stood second with 92.6%. And Chirag Rajawat stood third with 91.8%. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind and touches a heart. We express our gratitude to all our teachers for imparting knowledge and values, helping to enlighten the students and educate them. We also proudly showcase our champion students who brought laurels by winning in various competitions. Real achievement comes from racing ahead when no one else sees a path and holding back when rush is not going where you want to go. Shreya Kenkare of 9th B was selected as star correspondent by Times NIE for the year 2014-15. New Horizon students cracked Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vigyanik competition. Tirth Parmar successfully completed the third level of Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vigyanik competition for the year 2014-15. Our students have cleared the theory exam of Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vigyanik competition this year as well, and they have reached the next level. The list of the students is as displayed. Institute of Mathematics Education conducted maths aptitude test, and many of our students brought laurels to our school by qualifying for the Maths Junior Olympiad. The list of students is as displayed. Ashok Menon won a cash prize of Rs 25,000 in the National Capital Olympiad organized by Yes Bank. We are proud to announce the state-level winners of Spell Bee, organized by Spell Bee International Language for Life. They are as follows: Priyanshu Bhoya, Prithviraj Bhosle, Janvi Jaiprakash, Karan Soni, and Kaikasha Thakur. Mayank Banwal was declared as the national level winner in the same event. Link Pen organized Spell Link competition. Our students, Miss Ketki Radke, bagged the first position and Miss Gayatri Inamdar bagged the second position. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Junior Red Cross organized various competitions. Shriya Kale and Pal Sejpal secured second position and Rudra Jadhav secured third position in Rakhi making competition. Yash Dhane secured first position and Arya Patil secured second position in collage making competition. Lions Club of Airoli organized International Peace Poster Contest and Vaibhavi Jadhav secured the third position. Our students had participated in Microsoft Office Specialist Exam organized jointly by Velocys and Microsoft. The following students are qualified for state level. Aniket Bachas scored 907 out of 1000. Anupam Yeramsetti secured 890 out of 1000 and Tejas Sanap secured 700 out of 1000. Sitco organized an essay writing competition on the occasion of Vigilance Week and Rajpriya Bhattacharya secured the second position. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunities to develop our talents, as quoted by APJ Kalam. Spirit 2015 was organized by Rotary Club of New Bombay. Savant Veti secured second position in clay modeling. Tanay Doshi secured second position in origami and Sunaina Das secured first position in poster making competition. God, our Creator, has stored within our minds and personalities great potential, strength and ability. Prayer helps us tap and develop these powers. Chinmaya Mission organized a competition for chanting shlok from Bhagavad Gita. Pallavi Tauri qualified for the third round. 29th Ratanjali Fest was organized at St. Lawrence School, Vashi. Various competitions were held from grade 1st to 10th. In fancy dress competition, the following students brought laurels to the school. Subhecha Pakhale from grade 5th C secured the first position. Leher Sejpal from grade 1st I secured the first position. Shlok Kukreja from grade 1st B secured the third position. Yash Paleja from grade 3rd E secured the second position. And Shriya Kale from grade 4th C secured the third position. In recitation competition, Marisha Nath from 4th I bagged first position. Sneha Menon from 3rd H bagged second position. In storytelling competition, Anushka Matthew from 5th B bagged first position. In elocution competition, Vanshika Savla from 7th C bagged first position. Diya Menon from 7th C bagged second position. Om Daftare from 8th B bagged third position. In Western solo dance competition, Meghna Jobi from grade 5th B secured the second position. In essay writing competition, Yash Gada from grade 7th D bagged first position. Janvi Natekar from grade 5th B bagged second position and Diya Menon from grade 7th C bagged third position. In English handwriting competition, Bhumika Sharma from 2nd J, Ananya Bagul from 2nd D, Aditya Matre from 4th E, Richa Deshpande from 8th A bagged first position. Sarvanya Purkar from 7th C bagged second position. Rutuja Rane from grade 2nd bagged third position. Prajna Kavle from 8th A secured first position in Marathi handwriting competition and second position in Hindi handwriting competition. Sports is the epitome of hard work and dedication. There is nothing more exciting than seeing a team as a winner. Success and achievements in sports can be achieved with leadership and perseverance. Students of New Horizon Public School leave no stone unturned in accomplishing success in the field of sports. we are proud to announce the achievers of inter-school competition held in the academic year 2015-16. District Sports Organization DSO held various sports competitions. Our students made us proud by the laurels they brought to school. At the swimming competition of DSO, Soham Choprekar of 9th F for boys under 17 years category bagged the first position and got selected for the state level. Bhargav Said of 11th A for boys under 19 years category secured the first position and got selected for the state level. At the DSO yoga competition, the students who have been selected for the zonal level are Manish Patil of 10G and Omkar Mande of 9th B in the under 19 years boys category. The girls who are selected for yoga competition for zonal level in the category of under 17 years are Anvesha Mishra of 8th D, Shruti Mahakali of 8th F and Soumya Sharma of 6th C. Intelligence, sharp thinking and accurate judgment are the qualities one needs to exhibit when games involving the grey matter are to be competed. Chess is one such game. At the DSO chess competition, the students who brought victory are Anushka Menon from grade 7th A secured second position in the girls under 14 years category. In the girls under 17 years category, Vaibhavi Jadhav of grade 9th H secured the first position and Madhumita Menon of grade 10th A secured the third position. In the girls under 19 years category, Aisha Ansari from grade 11th A secured the third position. In the boys under 17 years category, Aryaman Kumar from grade 10th B secured the fifth position. Vaibhavi Jadhav from grade 9th H secured the fourth place at the zonal level and got selected for the state level chess competition. At the DSO table tennis competitions, the successful students are Krishna Gupta of 8th A securing the first position in the boys under 14 years category, Mrinmay Kamath of 7th A secured second position and Kashish Singhania of 8th C secured third position in the girls under 14 years category. Ankita Singh from 9th F secured second position and Shuchi Maru from 9th D secured third position in the girls under 17 years category. These students have been selected for zonal level competitions. Thousands of hours of training, hundreds of classes, years of sweat, countless bruises and one victory. That's martial arts. In the DSO Karate under 40 kg category, Atharva Shevle from 6th B secured the first position, Prerna Avhad from 8th H bagged the second position and Prathamesh Ranjane of 9th secured third position. Under 50 kg category, Tanish Shetty of 6th H and Simmi Samantara of 8th E secured the first position. Under 55 kg category, Manish Patil from 10th H secured the first position. Neeraj Son of 9th F and Jayesh Fand of 10th F bagged the third position. In kickboxing for boys under 17 years category, Shreyas Jagtap from grade 9th I, Rahul Balsundar from grade 9th I, Neeraj Son from grade 9th F and Hamza Ansari from grade 9th G brought laurels to the school by securing the first position in this event. It is rightly said that victory is having done your best. If you have done your best, you have won. The skating champions of our school exhibited their best skills and we are proud to announce Akshada Shetty from grade 5th C got the following prizes in the skating competition at the DSO level. Second position in road racing and third position in drink race long. Deepak Avhad from grade 10th F bagged first position in 2 events of skating, road race and drink race long, and thereafter participated at the zonal level. It is rightly said that winners never quit and quitters never win. At the athletic meet of DSO, Mokshkaram Chandani of 10th F secured first position in shot put under 17 years boys and he got selected for zonal level. Under 17 boys triple jump, Romit Adav of 9th H secured the second position and selected for zonal level. Under 14 boys athletic events, the successful achievers in 4 into 100 meter relay race bagging the third position are Shubham Patil of 8th G, Anish Parab of 8th I, Jay Adak of 8th I and Lokesh Singh Samant of 8th B. Under 14 4 into 100 meter relay for girls team secured third position and the team comprised of Dharitri Nandi of 7th G, Kavya Shetty of 7th E, Tanishta Gandharvar of 8th F and Arya Patil of 7th E. In the girls under 19 years category, Bhavna Chaudhary from 11th A secured third position in the triple jump athletic event. The shooting stars of our school are the Bevely sisters who have bagged prestigious positions in various competitions. Sukhman Bevely from grade 10th F and Ajal Bevely from grade 7th F secured second position at the rifle shooting event at the zonal level of DSO. This sister duo, with their accuracy and focused concentration, secured honorable positions at the state level. Sukhman Bevely 4th place and Ajal Bevely 6th place. Navi Mumbai Area Sports Association NMASA organized many events and our students enthusiastically participated in them, bringing success and pride to the school. The grandmasters of our school, with their brain power, bagged the following prizes in chess competition. Under 16 years boys chess team secured second position and the team comprised of Aditya Anuj from 9th B, Aryaman Kumar from 10th B, Siddharth Fulia from 8th F and Hridayangam Mehta from 9th B. In the chess under 14 years girls category, the following students secured second position. Sansia Korea from 5th A, Salome Korea from 5th B, Shweta Kamble from 6th F and Vedika Mishra from 7th B. Under 16 girls chess competition, the following students bagged the first position. Madhumita Menon from grade 10th A, Hetvi Doshi from grade 9th B, Anushka Menon from grade 7th A and Shrishti Sridhar from grade 7th E. At the table tennis competitions, the students who made the school proud are Shambhavi Patil from grade 6th D secured the second position in table tennis under 12 girls category. Vishnu Ajit from grade 6th D under 12 boys category secured third position and boys doubles were won by Mohit Agrawal from grade 7th A and Manav Talwani from grade 9th E securing third position. Mrinmay Kamath from grade 8th A and Shruti Joshi from grade 9th G secured the third position in girls doubles. Manav Talwani and Mrinmay Kamath bagged the third position in mixed doubles. In the badminton competition for girls under 12 years category, Gauri Kadam from grade 6th E secured the first position. Champions aren't made in the gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision. Sports competitions were organized by CBSE for the West Zone schools. The students added more feathers in our cap by emerging as winners at various athletic events. They are all selected for national level competitions. 4 into 100 meter relay for boys under 14 team secured the first position and the team comprised of Anish Parab from 8th I, Lokesh Singh Samant of 8th B, Shubham Patil of 8th G and Atharva Jathar of 8th G. In shot put under 16 years boys category, Mokshkaram Chandani of 10th F secured first position. Kavya Shetty of 8th E secured third position in the category for girls under 14 years. Lokesh Singh Samant of 8th B secured second position in 800 meter running race for boys under 14. The students who made us proud by securing the first position in the chess competition for girls under 19 years category and got selected for the national level are Anushka Menon from grade 8th A, Hetvi Doshi from grade 9th B, Vaibhavi Jadhav from grade 9th H, and Madhumita Menon from grade 10th A. They, as a team, stood fourth at national level. Vaibhavi Jadhav stood second in an individual event, securing the first board prize. Marching forward on their path to success, the Bavely sisters again brought laurels in CBSE National Shooting Championship. Sukhman Bavely at 5th position and Ajal Bavely secured 6th place. It is rightly said that winners are people with definite purpose in life. Winners embrace hard work. Marching onwards on the path of victory, students accomplished more milestones, adding jewels to the success crown of our school. Anantavas Sangeet Kala Krida Pratishthan and Atharva Chess Academy organized chess competition, and Shrishti Sridhar of 7th E secured the first position. Ideal Sports Academy, Gym and King's Chess Academy had also organized a chess competition, and Shrishti Sridhar from 7th E secured 2nd position, and Siddharth Fulia of 8th F secured the 9th position. Omkar Inamdar from 5th F secured the 5th position in the 2nd Memorial Mega Inter-School Rapid Chess Tournament 2015 organized by Kalyan Taluka Buddhibal Sanstha. The practice of combat that develops self-defense, competition, physical health and fitness is martial arts. Thane District Wushu Association organized First Zonal Junior Wushu Championship 2015, and our students triumphantly brought home gold and silver medals. Ketan Javale from grade 7th I, Arshul Dalvi from grade 4th I, Sakshi Mahajan from grade 4th I, Sachite Kale from grade 6th I, and Diti Tambe from grade 6th B won gold medals. Dipanshu Singh from grade 7th F and Purva Chunekar from grade 6th I won silver medals. Yavatmal District Table Tennis Association organized 3rd Maharashtra State Ranking Table Tennis Tournament 2015. Vandan Kandekar of grade 4G received a participation certificate. Ideal Sports Academy organized a chess competition, and our proud winners are Girls under 14 years category, Sansia Korea of 5th A secured 5th position and Salome Korea of 5th B secured 6th position. Girls under 16 years category, Shrishti Sridhar of 7th E secured 2nd position. Boys under 16 years category, Siddharth Fulia of 8th F secured 9th position. In the athletic meet organized by VPM International School Airoli, our students bagged gold, silver and bronze medals in the following events. Moksh Karim Chandani from grade 10th F won gold medal for shot put. Sanya Ranita from grade 9th E won gold medal in shot put for girls. Tanishta Gandharwar from grade 8th F won silver medal in 100-meter running race. Rhythm Mathur from grade 10th A won bronze medal in 200-meter running race. In the 4x100 meters relay event, bronze medal was won by our school team comprising of Romit Adhav of 9th H, Rhythm Mathur of 10th A, Atharva Jathar of 8th G and Anish Parab of 8th I. There is nothing greater than challenge if you have got something to prove. The sports teachers' hard work, dedication and the quest for reaching the zenith of each student's potential keeps them going on to create winners. We are indebted to all the sports teachers who, under the able guidance of Mr. C.L. Ram, head of the sports department, have brought such a plethora of prizes and awards to our school. The painstaking efforts of the coaches of various activities deserves a special mention. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. The efficient and dedicated vice principals, coordinators and teachers of New Horizon Public School work tirelessly to make true our school's motto, Education to Excel. Bill Bradley has rightly quoted, "Leadership is unlocking people's potential to become better." Our principal cum executive director, Dr. Nicholas Correa, with an enlightened leadership, virtuousness, compassion and creative insight with focused attention, is a strong pillar of support and a great guide to motivate students and teachers in all their endeavors. Our achievements speaks volumes about his qualities. Yet another academic year of success and achievement unfolded. For education to be complete, it must include not only the training of the intellect, but also the refinement of the heart and the discipline of the spirit. Through various activities, we provide opportunities to enable our students to acquire knowledge and skills that would help them to mold into confident, creative individuals, as well as active and knowledgeable citizens. We will strive to work as a team to maintain and enhance the glorious traditions of this great institution. This annual report is compiled by Mrs. Annie Kurian and Mrs. Surekha Bajaj. Graphics and creatives by Mrs. Vandana Shegaonkar. Voice by Ms. Rishita Doke and Ms. Nidhi Pandey. Thank you and enjoy your program.